Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. We're joined by Bloomberg's Bailey Lipschultz. Bailey, what are you looking at?
Yeah, I want to start with one of the best performers in the S&P 500. That is Southwest Air, ticker LUV, right now up, rounding up, call it 13%. Best day since April. Trading at the highest level since 2022. Why the big move? They beat expectations on the fourth quarter. They talked up demand for 2026, expecting earnings of at least $4 a share, well above what Wall Street was looking for. That'd be up over 300% compared to 2025. And it does stand out compared to the others that we've seen in the airline space. Delta, more mixed. American Air, more mixed in terms of print. So Southwest, yes, they were battered a bit by Elliott with their activist stake. No longer are they doing the free boarding. You actually pick your seat like other airlines. But so far playing out pretty well for the airline.
Just another airline now. It's lost some of that distinction.
My parents were like core Southwest users. They loved the credit card. You got promoted to A1 through 10. It was awesome. You got to select the exit row. They're out.
No more. Yeah. All right. What's next?
Las Vegas Sands, ticker LVS, one of the worst performers in the S&P 500, down 12%. Yeah, as you mentioned, Paul, Macao, underwhelming. People not flying or visiting the kind of region to gamble. It does seem like when you look at growth, 23% win growth in 4Q, outpacing some of the market, but also the big debate has been VIP. How are they catering to their high rollers? Now they're competing with other casino operators on the island that are pitching to the average Joe. Have you gone?
Yeah, I've been there once. It is awesome. Man, did they do a good job. I mean, they created this gambling mecca out of nothing.
Is it better than Vegas, though? I've heard it's like kind of a knockoff Vegas.
No, it's very similar to Vegas. I mean,
it has the colonial roots, though. So there's like fantastic Portuguese architecture there. There's great food. It has really come a long way over the last 20, 30 years.
So you're bullish Macau, even though the stock is down almost 13%.
I'm bullish Macau's an experience. I don't go there to gamble, so I can't speak to that.
I went there expressly to gamble. So, all right, what else you got for us?
Yeah, Microsoft, ticker MSFT, down 11%.
Yeah, amazing.
Just to put that into context, Meta right now is up about 8%. When you look at the point differential, Meta on the S&P 500 leading to a 14-point boost. Microsoft is a 46-point drag. So essentially 3 times the move when you look at the S&P 500, even though their performance is pretty similar. RBC calling it out. Solid report, not enough to clear elevated expectations. Demand AI spending. When you pair that with cloud growth slowing, you're kind of dealing with an issue opposite of Meta, which we saw beating expectations and talking up how that AI investment is going to benefit. Big move for Microsoft. Just want to call out that is the worst move since March 2020, which we all remember. Pandemic.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.